Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove payment method on Team Hortons. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser, and here on the search bar simply type in teamhortons.com, and once you enter you'll be seeing this kind of homepage. Now don't forget to log into your account as well, and once you log into your account simply click on profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you're inside here you'll be provided with these options, right? Team rewards, account info, payment methods, recent orders, and communication preferences. Now simply select the option that says payment methods, and once you're inside here, if you have added payment methods, then your payment methods will be displayed right here. Now in order to remove it, simply select the payment method that you want to remove, and then once you have click on that, you'll be provided with option to remove it as well. Simply click on remove and then follow the process, and that's basically how you can remove the payment methods on Team Hortons. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider solving